Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'd just like to start by apologising for not posting anything up for a little while. I've had some personal reasons why I haven't been doing that, which I'll explain in a moment. What I'm doing today is I'd just like to explain to where I'm hoping to go with my channel and how I started my channel. To start my channel, the reason why I started my channel is obviously because doing my camper van build. Where I'd like to go with my channel is to take you around on my little tours around the country and possibly Europe in the van, checking out a few campsites and bits and pieces like that. I'm hoping to get out a weekend. Me and my wife, we have booked tickets to our first festival. We're going to the Van Love Festival in August. Looking forward to that. It'll be our first one. So the reasons why I haven't put any videos up for a little while. Well, just before Christmas, a month before Christmas, I lost a very good friend of ours, our four-legged friend, Dash. He was 12 years old, so he was getting on a bit. Springer Spaniel. You've seen him in some of our videos that I've done. He's the black and white dog that we got. So I was just a little bit upset with the loss of the dog. Reason why I was a little bit upset is about 18 months prior to losing him, we lost another dog. So within 2 years, we had lost 2 dogs, and it was hard. So it left our lives a little bit empty. As you can tell, we had another dog in the videos, Ollie. He was quite young. He's been pining quite a bit because he has no friend now. So we've gone and got another puppy now, which has cheered him right up, and it's helped us as well. So this is one of the reasons why I haven't done any videos for a little while. I'm hoping to get back into doing the videos now. Hopefully this explains why I haven't done any. Like I say, it's just a little short one, just to tell what was happening and where I want to go with with this channel. So I hope to catch you very soon. I actually have been asked by a subscriber to do a little video on my water system and how I did that. So that will be one of my next videos that I do. So keep an eye out for that one. I've not filmed anything for that yet, so I'm going to go ahead and start filming that pretty soon. So I hope to catch up with you guys soon, and hope you all have a good new year. Thanks very much. See you. Bye.
Hello world, wake me up to another good morning, time to go. Got that smile upon my face, 'cause there's excitement in the chase, this I know. Yeah, I'm going for the ride and find myself, I am alive, and I soar. Still I run to